Today we present to you the book that will help you to take your first step in the world of trading. If you are passionate about trading, economics and finance and want to become a successful trader or investor, there are many texts that can help you learn more about these topics. In this post, we present some interesting and useful books that could help you learn more and take the big leap into the world of finance. To get started, we recommend that you read a few books on topics such as analyzing listed companies, risk control, and the importance of financial discipline. Here are some texts you should be familiar with. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is a classic of financial literature. Graham provides tips and strategies on how to become an intelligent investor. The book covers topics such as how to diversify your portfolio, how to control risk, and the importance of financial discipline. Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David L. Dodd, another financial classic that provides a detailed guide to analyzing listed companies. Anyone who wants to learn how to value companies and identify those with the best risk-reward ratio will find this book particularly useful. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel, a book that provides an overview of the financial world and the different ways to invest. Malkiel argues that financial markets are often unpredictable. As a result, the best way to invest is to diversify your portfolio and take a long-term approach. The Black Swan by Nassim Nicholas Taleb, a book that explores the concept of a black swan, or unpredictable, high-impact events that can have a major impact on financial markets. Taleb's argument is that these events are impossible to predict and that it is therefore important to be prepared for them. Freakonomics by Stephen D. Levitt and Stephen J. Dubner, a book that explores how economies and societies work through a series of studies. The author's unconventional approach to the analysis of economic phenomena is a source of interesting and original insights. Ready to become a successful trader? Then don't miss out on our exclusive trading courses. Coming soon to our websites and YouTube channels. These courses will give you all the knowledge and skills you need to make the leap into the financial world, whether you're a beginner or an expert. They will help you achieve your financial goals and become a successful trader with engaging and easy-to-understand lessons, practical examples, and high-quality course materials. Subscribe to our channels now and follow us to keep up to date with the launch dates of our courses. And to make sure you don't miss a single lesson. We look forward to accompanying you on this educational journey and helping you realize your potential.